Well, here's Bella out in the snow. It's about 8:15 on December 19th, the snow blizzard storm, whatever, of 2009. It's been snowing for about, since about 10 o'clock last night, so about 10 hours. I'd say there's at least 8 or 9 inches of snow on the ground already. And there's Bella taking a pee. Don't eat that yellow snow. Bella! Bella, come! Come, Bella! Yes! Come here, Bella! You like the snow, don't you? Bella! Woo! There's they're trying to shovel out the Harris Teeter. They've got the big, well, not big, they've got the little bulldozer to plow out the parking lot. And they say that the worst hasn't even started yet. And one channel just said that we might be in the top 3 of all snowstorms ever in Washington history. It is absolutely beautiful out here. Oh, there goes Bella off in the distance. There's she here. You can see just how gorgeous the snow is. There's my foot. Bella! Come! Bella, come! Here she comes, here she comes! Yes, you like the snow, Bella? You like the snow, huh? You get an idea how deep the snow is. There's a drain. I'd say, I don't know. It's pretty deep. Let's see. I'll stick my foot in there. So, it's relatively how deep it is. Yeah, at least 8 or 9 inches. And who knows how much more. Come out again a little bit later, maybe around noon. Let her play some more in the snow. She seems to be enjoying it. Whoa! It's gorgeous powder. Absolutely gorgeous powder. And there she goes. Bella! Come! Come, Bella! Yes, good girl. Oh well. I'm getting cold, even though she isn't. So that is it for now. The big winter storm, the birthday storm, December 19th, 2009.